So I have some molds here. My cup is clean. I cleaned all my molds with tape right here, and I'm ready to go. My resin has been sitting in a warm water bath. I'm gonna put my gloves on, and I'm just using gloves that I already had. Once I run out of these, then I'll get me some fitted black disposable gloves, but just using what I have. I'm gonna do 2 ounces of A and 2 ounces of B. I'm gonna mix this for 3 minutes and then I'm gonna pour. guys, welcome to part 2 of today's video. This is going to be broken into 2 parts because I just arrived to Las Vegas and I am going to demold one of the pieces, and when I'm back in Santa Monica in a couple of days, I'm going to wrap up the video demolding my larger piece, which has 3 layers of resin. The piece that I'm about to demold has 2 layers of resin, and I am looking forward to seeing what this piece looks like outside of this heart-shaped mold. The second layer was poured yesterday, but it is pretty cured, so I want to go ahead and take it out, and I'm looking forward to see how the desert rose, the adenium bloom, actually preserved in resin. I've never preserved an adenium before. This is the first time, and this is the second time I've ever did a heart-shaped piece. Oh my goodness, take a look at this piece. There's that beautiful desert rose. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous, it is stunning. I'm in love. So the adenium that I have, my second adenium, my first one died from the rain. My replacement adenium gave me 4 blooms this season. I might have 2 more maybe by the time I'm back, but I'm not too sure if it's going to open up for me. And this is 1 out of the 4 blooms, and I am gifting this to my mom as part of her birthday gift. It was her birthday the other day. Give her something special. Instead of fresh flowers that only last a couple of days, my mom is not into plants, I wanted to give her something that I created, and this is a very special rose. And this one only pretty much comes once a year, if that, and this is the first time I ever had an adenium bloom on me, and I don't know when I'm gonna get blooms from it again, if it's gonna give me any blooms. So this is very, very special. I was super excited to share the demolding of this one, but stay tuned for our second half of part 2 when I'm back in Santa Monica in a few days. I'm excited to demold that piece with the cactus bloom. But yeah, this came out pretty good. I'm definitely not mad at that. I mean, I'm still fairly new with creating these art pieces, and I am going to place this into tissue, and I can't wait to see my mom's reaction. This is so pretty. Comment down below, what do you guys think about the adenium bloom in resin? It was so easy to like take from the mother plant, put into silica gel, and then now it's in this forever. It's so cool. And this is like the perfect size heart too. So stay tuned when I pick up the video in a couple of days to take out that beautiful cactus bloom in that big round mold. Alright you guys, welcome to part 2 of today's video. It's been a couple of days, and if I look a little crazy, it's because I got home 3 in the morning and I just had a couple hours of sleep. But the first thing I did when I got home was demold my beautiful piece, because it's been sitting for 5 days and I just couldn't help myself. But I didn't want to film me looking crazy demolding at 3 in the morning, but I wanted to at least give you a little reveal of this amazing piece. I love this piece so much, and this might be the best piece I ever have done since I started my resin art journey. Take a look at it. Isn't it just gorgeous? Like, it came out so perfect. I can't even explain how happy I am. This is 3 layers of resin. Let me take it out to the sun in a second. Let me know what you guys think about my progress. I've only been pouring for less than 3 months, and I've shared all of my experiences between the main channel and the vlog channel, my mistakes, what I've learned along the way. But this is my thickest mold, and I am going to be investing in a thicker mold. I'm gonna start doing trays and just different things. And one thing I do know about resin and resin life, resin art, is everything is so expensive. So now that I gave myself 2 to 3 months to really play with silica gel and resin and preserving my blooms and doing little things with my ferns, I'm having so much fun that I'm investing more things for creating art with resin. So let me know down in the comments below, what do you guys think about this beautiful piece? Like, take a look at it. It is pretty clear.
I did add a little bit of glitter, but you can see it in the back more than anything because it shifted while it was getting settled in. But there is glitter in there. You can kind of see it here in the front, but maybe I'll put more towards the outside. And also, the next piece that I do for a cactus bloom, I'm gonna add like chunks of glitter all around the outsides. I think that's gonna be so cute to see, like a glitter border around and like ombre in. So I'm gonna play with that. But look at how well Sonia's bloom preserved, like, and it was, wow. I'm really proud of myself, guys. So give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the process of me preserving the blooms and sharing with you the results. I'm really happy. I think I can do one more small little art piece with the leftover resin that I started with, but I finally can dip into my new resin. It's a totally different brand. I want to see if I'm gonna have better results with it, but this is pretty hard. So my mixtures was really good, and 3 layers, like 3 layers here, and I'm really proud of myself. Really proud of myself. While I was away yesterday, I finally got my respirator mask. So I'm finally legit invested into resin art, resin life. So I'm gonna like figure this out and make sure that when I pour again, which I'm probably gonna maybe want to do later on today, I can go ahead and add my respirator mask on for safety to protect myself. And I'm going to be doing Tanya's bloom, so stay tuned for that. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Subscribe for daily uploads between the main channel Monday, Thursday, and the vlog channel Friday, Sunday. You get a video each and every day. Sound off in the comments down below. What do you think about the art piece that I created for my mom and for Sonia? And what do you guys think of my work? I will be making more art pieces along the way, and you guys will be able to purchase it and add it to your home, a part of my collection. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California. Bye. All right, all my hard work is right here in this package.
Oh my god, this is gonna be so pretty. Oh my god.
Thank you for being a shining light on the channel.
Oh, thank you. I don't want to put, oh, it's gorgeous. Oh my god, look at that. It is so beautiful.
What do you think about my work?
I love it. It's beautiful.
3 layers.
Oh my god, it's gorgeous. So nice.
I think this might be my best work to date.
Oh, nice. I don't know. Your pink one came out really beautiful too.
But
this
take a look at
so
the way how
pretty.
it dried.
It's gorgeous.
So let me know whenever you have another bloom so I can make one for me.
I will. Thank you.
So enjoy. Thank you for
so
supporting
much.
the channels.